EF3 136 to 165 miles per hour. But it tracked for 9 miles to Hugo, which is where we saw the greatest damage.
The devastation really hits you when you're walking through the debris and talking to people who lost their homes and all of their belongings, but still they know they're the lucky ones. One family lost a child.
Yeah, about 50 homes are still considered uninhabitable tonight. Other residents were told about 2 hours ago that they could return home. Fatality in the Hugo tornado. Sunday, 17 others injured, including Nathaniel's parents and sister. The Red Cross reports at least 27 homes destroyed, 16 more heavily damaged, more than 470 minor damage, 311 of those in the Hugo Town Home Development. Governor Tim Pawlenty toured the damage and declared a state of emergency.
Grief, shock, disbelief, all those things. It's still a matter of processing what's happened.
They definitely had the brunt of the tornado go through their house.
Neighbors found Nathaniel in a backyard pond and couldn't save him.
He was a wonderful little boy with a really great big smile.